Good morning, my friends. This is the diesel filter of my Polo diesel. So I have replaced it yesterday because I've done a lot of driving the past days, and at a point when I need full power and I put the gas pedal down, the car tends to shake a bit from the engine side, so that it seems if it doesn't get to enough fuel, and I reckon it is a dirty Bosch or dirty filter, and I need to buy a new one, and the problem is gone. It pulls like a dream now, so I want to open it, maybe grind it here and see how dirty it is inside. So let me see what I can do to open it. Okay, let's first remove this plastic ring. Sorry. I think it's 3 of these. And then this should come off. And I think the best is I'm going to grind it off here. Hopefully this cover can come off. Okay, let me show you some of the grinding action. Okay, let me continue. Okay, I'm still busy, guys. And I had to try this from the bottom side. You can see it's still smoking because here it is too thick. It will take forever to grind it through all the way. So I've tried there, and I'm going to try with a chisel or something open it. Okay, it's me and my chisel again. It seems if it works. Something like that. Okay, guys, this was not an easy job. I would like to do a better job of it, but at least I can see now there. And this is a diesel filter, and it looked like a dirty oil filter. Let's enlarge it a bit. Okay, this is 4 times magnification, and you can see this is really dirty. And this is the outside, I guess, or the inside rather. What I actually mean is it's the inlet side where it traps all the dirt. Okay, guys, I always want to see how it look, and it was really time to replace this. All right, my friends, see you on the next project. Bye bye.